Before applying the screen protector, open Screen Cleaning Mode. Step 1. Cleaning. Use the cleaning toolkit and cleaning wipes to gently wipe the screen. Then use a fiber cloth to dry the screen until there is no oil or dirt. Step 2. Positioning. Confirm the direction of the screen protector tool and align the top mark with the top of the screen. Hook the screen protector tool onto the central control screen and fasten the two ends to firmly hold the screen. Confirm that the screen is secure and not shaking. Step 3. Exhausting. Pull the release film and press the middle support bar to automatically exhaust air bubbles. Remove the plastic film from the bottom of the two sides of the screen protector tool. After exhausting the air bubbles, open the clasp, remove the screen protector tool, and tear off the plastic film. The screen protector is now perfectly positioned, covering the entire screen without any gaps.